We're in the kitchen with Coltrane.
We're making pizza.
Pizza. All right, we're making pizza. What's the first rule of making pizza?
First rule is tomatoes.
Yes, but first rule, when you're using fresh pizza, you want to make sure that the dough is room temperature. Okay, what's the next tip, Coltrane?
Cheese.
No, you have to have a very hot oven. Oven needs to be mucho caliente.
That makes other sense.
What's the next rule?
The cheese.
Close. Next rule is that we stretch out the dough. All right, what's the next rule, Coltrane?
The next rule is cheese.
Close. The next rule, use parchment. Use a good olive oil. Stretch. When we stretch it, we want to make sure that there's no holes in it, though, and no bubbles.
No bubbles.
No holes, no bubbles.
You have to make this perfect and better. Come on!
Pro tip, using an infused oil will help flavor your pizza the way you want it. Okay, now it's time for what?
Tomato sauce.
Yes, tomato sauce! Last thing we're gonna put on is what?
Cheese.
Cheese! Cheese, please.
Wow.
Mo cheese. Mo cheese. And even mo cheese. Pro tip, don't over cheese. While Coltrane is washing his hands, I'll give you a couple more tips. You can brush the crust for a little extra flavor and crispiness. Also, don't overdo it with the toppings. We don't want to load it down too much. Last thing I like to do is hit it with a little spice blend that I came up with. We got pizza!
Just give you a long time.
What? Let's try it! The moment of truth. Do you like it?